Hi, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. Today I'm in the Gaggenau Center talking about the wall oven, and I'm going to use the pizza stone setting here, or the stone setting. It's a great direct setting right here, and we have it to 500 degrees. Benefits of this stone setting are the stone actually plugs in, so it heats up on the bottom like an element. So you use another heating source. It's great ideally for pizzas, but you could roast cedar plank salmon on here, do some cookies on a stone as well, and kind of bridge your horizons, really do some amazing stuff. So we're gonna pop a pizza in, see the convection work into the stone setting, right? Let's open it up. Okay, our pizza's finished. Let's open the door, let's check it out. Look at that. Take out our pizza peel, get it right out. Close the oven door here. Really, this is what you're gonna get. You got a nice crisp crust, fully cooked. It's a very nice pizza. Matter of minutes, nice and easy from Gaggenau. Enjoy.